What are the signs and symptoms of a dual mass flywheel damage? The engine is running unevenly, strange noises when the engine is started or stopped, tremors in neutral gear, disturbing noises coming from the gearbox, transmission of vibrations to the vehicle body while driving. How does the regeneration of a dual mass flywheel proceed in our company? After the package is delivered by a courier, our technician examines the dual mass flywheel, or DMF, for wear and determines if it is suitable for regeneration. After evaluation of the wear of a dual mass flywheel, the rivets holding it together are removed and the case is cut open. Firstly, we grind the flange of the DMF. When it comes to grinding the friction surface, it should be emphasized that the surface of the dual mass wheel can only be ground. Turning or milling is not allowed. Afterwards, the technician removes all the internal elements of the flywheel. In fact, it is only then that you can judge if the wheel is suitable for regeneration, if the sockets in which the arc springs work are not scratched, and what is the condition of spring stoppers. In the next stage, the flywheel is washed in a pressure steam washer. The washed elements undergo sandblasting in order to remove any remaining dirt and scraps of old paint. The next step that the technician performs is the installation of new internal wheel elements such as plain bearings, spring caps, springs or dampers, bearings or cups, new specialist grease. After installing new elements, the flywheel assembly is closed by welding on an automatic welder. Next, the primary and secondary masses are joined with rivets. The last stage of the regeneration is balancing the flywheel and checking for possible runout on the housing and the disc of the DMF. After comprehensive regeneration, the flywheel is painted and packed for delivery.